first thing we need to do is peel the mushrooms. So these two here, these ones aren't peeled yet, and this is what they're like when they're peeled. Next we're going to slice them. Okay, so these are my mushrooms chopped up. I've chopped them up to about 1/4 inch thick. Okay, so these are portobello mushrooms. I just bought a pack from the supermarket. It's them there. So once you've sliced them 1/4 inch thick, just put them on your tray. Don't overlap them and don't squash them up too much. You need to have good airflow. Okay, so I've got 1, 2 and a bit trays. So now I'm just going to put the lid on the dehydrator and dry them. Okay, so let's check on these mushrooms. They are looking nice and dry. Now one way to test them is to just grab one, drop it, and you should be able to hear it. See how it sounds crispy? And we'll do another little test. We'll break it. Hear it snap? Right? So that is dry. So this is that whole packet of mushrooms ready to be bagged up. So there we go, there they all are, bagged up, ready to go into the vacuum sealer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum seal this now. And there we are. That's the mushrooms bagged up, vacuum sealed, and on them I have written the date, what they are, and the weight. Now to store these, if you're going to store them long term, you'll need to put them somewhere dark, out of the light, and out away from heat. So if you've got somewhere like a basement or a dark cupboard that you don't use much, perfect place to store them. Now, when you want to use these mushrooms, you can either put them into a container, pour enough boiling water on them to just cover them, and they should have softened in about 10 minutes. Then you can just use them. Or you can just tip them straight into your soup, stew or casserole or whatever you're using them in. And that's all there is to it.